Welcome to the best picks. The best dental crown cement is probably one of the most important choices you'll make when it comes to restoring your smile, as it directly impacts the longevity, stability, and overall success of your dental crown. This video will guide you through the essential factors to consider when selecting a permanent dental crown cement, ensuring you make an informed decision for a healthy and confident smile. We will explore various types of cements, their properties, and what makes them suitable for different situations, helping you understand how to choose the best option for your specific needs and ensuring a secure and long-lasting dental restoration. Number 5. Mastermedi Zinc Oxide Cement Kit. This kit provides everything you need for reliable dental work. It's perfect for crowns, bridges, and fillings. It sets quickly, offering high strength for immediate use in various dental procedures. No more long waits for your work to cure. This cement is self-curing and self-adherent, simplifying the application process and ensuring a secure bond. It's designed for ease of use. Its universal shade blends seamlessly with natural tooth color for a natural-looking result. You'll achieve a perfect aesthetic match. The kit includes powder, liquid, mixing pad, measuring spoon, and instructions for a complete and convenient solution. Everything you need is right here. With Mastermedi, you're choosing quality and reliability for all your dental needs. Trust it for superior performance. What we like? It boasts superior strength, sets quickly without any need for extra steps, and matches most teeth colors seamlessly. If you need a reliable, easy-to-use cement for crowns and bridges, and want a natural-looking result, this is your best bet. Its versatility makes it suitable for various dental procedures. What people say? It provided a secure bond for my crown, holding it in place firmly until I could visit my dentist. Once it dries, it does feel solid and should last a week or two easily. This stuff works and gets rock hard if you use it correctly. Apply it successfully. And keep it dry enough to cure properly. Number 4. G&S G-S Hypo Cement. This is G&S G-S Hypo Cement, perfect for a variety of precision bonding tasks. It's ideal for use on delicate materials. It's especially great for securing plastic or glass watch crystals and for bead stringing projects. It provides a strong, clear bond. This 1 3-ounce tube is the perfect size for most projects. It's easy to handle and control. It's formulated to only bond to the materials you intend to use it on, keeping your fingers clean and mess-free. No more sticky fingers. It dries clear and is non-brittle, ensuring a strong, invisible bond that lasts. You'll get a professional-looking finish. The precision applicator tip gives you maximum control for precise placement. It makes even the most delicate tasks easy. What we like? This one is incredibly durable, dries transparently for an invisible finish, and comes with a precision applicator for easy handling. If you value a clean, precise application and need a cement that won't crack or yellow over time, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for delicate work and applications where a clear finish is essential. What people say? Purchased as recommended by the designer of a micro-macrame pattern, to hold core cords of a knotted project together, I'm pleased with the ease of use, the hold, and the flexibility after drying. Dries without clumps but has a strong hold. Glue dries clear so it blends in with most stretch cords. This product is extremely effective for jewelry makers, clear, dries quickly without mess. I did struggle with the recapping pin, but figured it out without too big a mess. Number 3. KI Zinc Oxide Cement Kit. This dental kit provides a reliable solution for various dental procedures. It's perfect for crowns, bridges, and fillings, offering a strong and lasting bond. It boasts high strength, making it ideal for instant fillings. It's also self-curing and self-adherent for easy application. The universal shade blends seamlessly with natural tooth color. The kit includes everything you need for a smooth application process. Inside, you'll find 15 grams of powder, 10 milliliters of liquid, a mixing pad, measuring spoon, spatula, and instructions for use. Everything you need for a successful repair. We stand behind our product. If you're not completely satisfied, we offer a full refund within 1 year of purchase. It's a versatile solution for various dental needs. It's easy to use and provides a long-lasting, reliable solution. What we like? This cement offers impressive strength, sets quickly by itself, and comes with a satisfaction guarantee. If you prioritize peace of mind and a strong, reliable bond for your crowns and bridges, this is a great option. The money-back guarantee shows the manufacturer's confidence in its product. What people say. The temporary tooth has never come loose this whole time. It's crazy how well this product works. I followed the included video instructions and made sure to scrape off excess glue on the outside of the tooth before it completely hardened. I was able to have my tooth in place, take pictures, and enjoy all the eating that I wanted. There is enough product to allow for multiple uses if needed. It's lasted quite a while. Number 2. Dental Temporary Crown and Bridge. This innovative material makes creating temporary crowns and bridges quick and easy. It's the perfect solution for dental professionals needing a reliable, high-quality temporary restoration. The convenient 10-to-1 ratio simplifies the mixing process, saving you valuable time and effort in your dental practice. This means less time mixing and more time with your patients. It comes in a single, ready-to-use cartridge, eliminating the need for separate mixing tips. This streamlined design ensures a smooth and efficient workflow. It offers a natural-looking A2 shade, ensuring a seamless blend with the patient's existing teeth. This results in a more comfortable and aesthetically pleasing temporary restoration. It provides a reliable and consistent performance, simplifying the process of creating temporary crowns and bridges. It's a time-saving and efficient solution for your dental practice. What we like? It's incredibly easy to use, no mixing is required, saving you time and effort. The A2 shade is a common natural tooth color. If you value convenience and a natural-looking result, and want to avoid the mess and potential errors of mixing, this is a perfect choice. It's ideal for quick, straightforward procedures. What people say. I have been using this item for practicing temporary bridge and crowns preparations in dental school. It is a fantastic item and I will purchase more. I did not need any extra glue to help hold it in place and it is super strong. Product good as advertised. Number 1. Zinc Oxide Eugenol Cement Kit. This kit provides everything you need for a reliable and effective dental procedure. It's designed for ease of use and consistent results. It features zinc oxide eugenol, a trusted material known for its gentle properties and strong bonding capabilities. This ensures a secure and comfortable fit. It's perfect for securing crowns and bridges, providing a long-lasting and stable solution. It's a crucial tool for any dental professional. The kit's simple design makes application straightforward and efficient. It's formulated for minimal mess and easy cleanup. It helps ensure a precise fit, minimizing discomfort and maximizing the longevity of the restoration. It's a reliable choice for superior dental work. This comprehensive kit offers everything needed for a successful procedure, from start to finish. It's a valuable addition to any dental practice. What we like? This cement provides excellent strength, sets on its own, and blends in with most teeth colors. If you need a strong, easy-to-use cement for crowns and bridges, and want a natural-looking result, this is a great option. Its versatility makes it suitable for various dental procedures. What people say. Advice from a retired dentist. This product is very good and even has soothing quality. Directions are a joke. Made a huge mess everywhere. It is defiantly clock oil and that would not open. Had to take pliers to it and break the top to get at the liquid. Hard to use if not professional, did not really cement bridge for very long. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.